Understanding Axie Infinity Axie movesets is crucial to succeed in the game. Axies are the main characters in the game, and each Axie has a unique set of moves that define its role in battle. The moveset of an Axie consists of 4 cards, each representing a different ability or attack. To start, it is essential to understand the different types of cards in the game. There are 4 types of cards, including beast, plant, reptile, and bug. Each type of card has its strengths and weaknesses, and some cards are more effective against certain types of Axies. When building an Axie moveset, it is vital to consider the Axie's class and the role it will play in battle. For example, a tank Axie will require cards that provide defense and protection, while a damage dealer Axie will require cards that deal high amounts of damage. A well-balanced moveset should include a mix of attack, defense, and utility cards. Attack cards deal damage to enemies. Defense cards protect the Axie from damage. And utility cards provide additional effects such as healing or speed boosts. Some key concepts to keep in mind when building an Axie moveset include synergy, which refers to the interaction between different cards, and card draw, which refers to the order in which cards are played. Understanding these concepts is critical to creating an effective moveset. Practical examples of effective movesets include a tank Axie with a mix of defense and utility cards, or a damage dealer Axie with a focus on high damage attack cards. By considering the Axie's class, role, and the types of cards available, players can create a moveset that is tailored to their playstyle and strategy. Best practices for building an Axie moveset include experimenting with different card combinations, paying attention to the Axie's stats and abilities, and adjusting the moveset based on the opponent's team. By following these best practices, players can create a competitive and effective Axie moveset that will give them an edge in battle.